Good morning, everybody. I am here because I am so excited because I received the first Color Play box, the subscription box for December. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do you. So here I go. Let's see what's in here. So this was $30 plus tax. That already included the shipping. So the theme was the Roaring 20s. So here we have a little pamphlet which shows you different ways you could actually use what's in the box. So I don't want to show you this because then you'll know what's in the box. What is this? These are the names of what's in the box. Okay, this is, oh, look at this. You get a, I guess there's a brand called Casely. I wonder if there's a Casely product in here. Not sure. But it's a coupon for $10 off of $30. Pretty cool. Okay, so we get a cute little nail file, which we get with all our nail strips. And we have the alcohol pad. And here are the strips we got. This one is called, where is the name of the strip? It's probably, I don't want to, it might be on this. Oh, here we go. The name of the strip is Glitz and Glamour. So it's a coppery gold glitter. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 sets of 6 here. Then we have, it's called Cocktail Hour Multi. And what's interesting about this is it has a slit going down the middle. I wonder if that's to pull it off. Let me see if you could see it. You see that strip? I think you could pull that off so you get like, you can see through the strip and put something color. That's probably what we're going to see in the pamphlet that shows the different designs you can do. And this is Black, the Midnight in Manhattan. So we all know that one. And this one is, okay, so this is the Midnight in Manhattan split strip. So this also has a split in it. This is pretty cool. I can't wait to do this. And there's more. Let's see, what's this? Oh, how pretty. I think this is an overlay. Roaring Good Time. I believe this is an overlay. It's a full set. So there's more. What we got so far was a full set plus 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 6 each. You know, I'm just thinking you can get together with a couple of friends and probably do 2 or 3 manicures with this. It's pretty awesome. My favorite product from Color Street is their nail file, but this one has glitter on it. How cool. So we have a Color Street nail file with case, and there is, what is this? Nail clipper with file. It's a Color Street product. I wonder if they're going to start selling it. Oh, look at this. How cute is this little contraption? So it's a cute little nail clip. And it says with file, so I'm not sure what it is. Let me see. with file. Is this a file? Oh, I think this might be a file. It's kind of like a soft file. I guess for when you clip your edges, you want to just get the little edges. What is that? This is pretty cool. So you got this cute clipper. How do I close the clipper? The nail file. 4 sets of 6 and 1 set, a full set. Of course, you get your nail file and your alcohol pad. You have a $10 off of 30 from Casely. It says keep your phone protected with Casely this holiday season. So it specializes in trendy phone and tech accessories. I am definitely going to check out Casely. So here are the options. So it shows you 3 different ways that you can actually put this together, and those are the designs. Let's see, can I get this clear? Hold on. Really, but what they look like. Or you can get creative design. So yeah, you just pull that strip in the middle and you have a slit. These are really cool. I want to get it to be clear for you. There we go. That looks better, doesn't it? So that's the color play box. Let me know what you think of it. And if you're interested in January's box, which is a love theme, which I assume will be good for Valentine's Day. I just love getting products that aren't even available yet. And the coupon, all this for $30 plus tax. That's it. That's everything. So let me know what you think. If you want to subscribe for the January box, simply message me and I'll give you the instructions. It's very simple. And once you subscribe, you do not have to get it every month. You could just go back into your account and update your settings. So just so you know. And that's that. It was so nice seeing you guys. Well, talking to you. I'll talk to you later.